A fan has three settings. You can have it off, you can have it on low, and you can have it on high. And a person has three fans. I don't know why you would want three fans in your room, but you have three fans in your room. I was telling the other class, my brother cannot sleep without a fan. He has a fan that he takes with him on trips so that he can plug it in wherever he's sleeping and have some air movement in the room where he's sleeping. He'd probably like this. Oh, three different fans. I can like create a different windy environment every night. What are the possibilities? Well, if we use this fundamental counting principle, you have three decisions you need to make. We have to do something with fan number one, do something with fan number two, and do something with fan number three. How many choices do you have for fan number one? Three choices. It can be off, low, or high. Three choices for two and three choices for three would give you 27 ways that you could set these fans. You could almost go a whole month with a different wind environment and not get, I mean, you can get pretty bored with the fan, I think, otherwise, right? You probably need to. Now, you're all thinking, I'm going to definitely add a couple fans to my Christmas list. Okay. Now, if I got you to write all 27 of them out, this could be problematic, because my guesses are that you would get to around 20-something, and then accidentally write one you already wrote down, and miss one, and not know which one you missed, and it would be frustrating. So there's some systematic ways that we can go about showing this. And one of the systematic ways that we can show this is something called a tree diagram. So in decision number one, the three choices we show with three branches. And we can label this one as off, and this one as low, and this one as high. Then off of these three branches, you set fan number two. And fan number two has three options: off, low, and high. Off, low, and high. And then fan number three has three choices. Aren't you glad we didn't buy 4 fans? Oh my goodness. And it's starting to look like a tree with lots of branches. Off, low, high, off, low, high, off, low, high, off. But then, once we have all of these labeled, now systematically we can go across the branches and we could start listing them all. Like the first one would be, ooh, all of them could be off. Right? And the second branch is O-O-L, ooh. And so on, and then you could just systematically get them all. Some of them are funnier than others. So, questions for practice. 3, 4, 6, 11,